everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll tell you how you can register the VIT 2023 application form, and in this video I will share with you a detailed step-by-step process so that there is no such difficulty, because at my time when I was registering 2 years back I was just confused how to do and all, but today I'll share all the details like how you can just do it step by step. So let's move forward in the video. Just type VIT, then it will come. Like you can click on the second website. Once you click on that, it will open directly the application form or that page. Here it will come as if you already have an account registered, you can go for login details, but since we want to create an account from scratch, so we will go for new user, date of birth, gender, and every basic thing. For residential status you can just click on Indian and all that you can do, like you can just give your mobile number, email and all. So once you are done with all the details, you can just click on I authorize the VIT to use my mobile number, connected media platform, like this, and then you can click on submit. So once you click on submit, you'll get an interface where it will be written type the OTP. Then you will type the OTP that is sent into your mobile number, and then you can proceed and then you will click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, again that page will come where you have to register your registered mail ID, and then you need to add the password. Now how you can write the password and all. So once you register as new user, the password will be sent to your that mail ID which you have put it over there in that new user thing. So you need to keep that password only. If you will keep your mail's password, it will not work. So write down your mail ID, and then you need to put the password given in your mail, then verification code, and then you need to click on login. Click on login. You will get things like personal information, educational information, fee payment, and upload photo or signature. So yeah, so there are certain information written there, so you can read those information. Then we'll go for filling up. Like our profile is now 0% completed, we need to complete it by adding basic details. So firstly we'll go and there are certain things like this information and guidelines, that firstly the application cost is rupees 1350, like 1350, and you need to upload your photograph and signature, which is given at certain kV rate. So this is the basic information. You can read all those guidelines and all once you click on the link. So after that, what you need, first step is you need to click on I need the VIT 2023 information brochure, fully understand, and then you will click on that submit button. So once you click on that submit button, you will get the basic. You need to then fill up your personal details like religion, community, mother tongue, native state like the state which you are living in, okay, the name of the parent, guardian and all. Then you have to put up such things. Then you need to put up the address wherever you are living, its PIN code, area name, city name and all. Then you will click on save and next. Once you fill up all the details about address, your personal details, you will click on save and next. So once you click on personal information, once you save those personal information and all, then you have to go for this educational information like school, like your medium instruction, like whether it was CBSE or not. Then you have to fill up all the details, like see the mode of study, school PIN code, school's state name, district name and all. These are the basic details that you have to fill. Choice of subjects, then you need to fill up. It's like whether you want to take PCM or PCB, like whether you want to take with maths, physics, chemistry or the biology subject. So basically here you need to, like you will take maths, physics, chemistry, and additional 2 subjects will be English and aptitude. Same in case of PCB, it will be physics, chemistry, biology, aptitude and English. 5 subjects will be there through test. Then another question will come, how did you know about VIT? So there will be multiple things like newspaper, Google research, social media, friends and relative magazine, or there might be some things you can put up those things, like from social media I came to know about VIT and all. Okay, then once you save and next that information, you will be redirected to a page where you need to go for this payment. You want to go with PayU-based or whether you want to go with Paytm. So you can choose any one of the options and you can go with that. So once you are done with the payment and all, this is how the interface will look. It will show us. So there will be an option written there, proceed to next step. So now we are going for proceed to next step. So once we click on that proceed to next step, you will get an option to enter the photograph of the candidate and the signature. So how there are certain rules for this also, like you can only upload the photos in JPG or JPEG format. But one thing I will tell you, like yesterday when I was trying to upload the photos in JPEG format, it was not taking. Maybe you can upload photo as JPG. This is how the interface of the website will look when you are done with the payment and you have completed everything, personal details, your education details, your payment and all. Then the final step is you need to upload the photograph of the candidate and the signature of the candidate. So there are certain rules like which are written also. You can see those rules also. So one thing is you need to make sure that your photo size is between 10 KB to 200 KB. Same applies for signature also. And both should be either in JPG format or JPEG. But when I was trying to upload the photos and signature in JPEG format, it was not taking. In case if it is not taking in JPEG format, go with the JPG format, it will take either of them. So the question comes, how you can go for JPG or JPEG format. So you can go to Google, you can just capture the image through the normal camera of any of the candidate, and you can just go to Google, you can just write down like you need to convert the image to JPG or JPEG format. There will be multiple sites, you can go to either of them and you can just go for converting them into that. And you can also use the compressor where you can compress the size of the images. So this is how the things will be done. So a folder where you can just select that image and you can just put it on upload. Same applies for signature also. And then you will click on save and next. So once you click on save and next, a new interface will be generated where it will be written your application form will be generated. You can then click on that so that you can download your application form. In one side it is given that edit your application form. If you want to edit any of the things, spelling might be wrong, you can go and edit that application there itself. Or if you want to edit your photo or signature, you can do the same thing as well. So this was all about application form and the details regarding that. And if you have any doubts, please write down in the comment section or just DM me on Insta. I'll just reply it back. I'll just tell you the solution for that. So thank you for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.